Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Awesome Shows 16, and this time I will be showing you some mob grinders. I have two to show you. So let's get started. So the first one is this one. This is my favorite one. It's easy to build, but you will need lots of cobblestone. So you basically just build a center like this. This actually just needs to be 30 blocks deep. Wait, how much? Yeah, 30 blocks deep. But I made it all the way deep because those pigmen don't die that easily. So you just make this square 20 by 20 blocks. Yeah, but you leave like those two in the middle, and then you just dig out this place and put water there. And it should turn out that the water stops exactly over here and doesn't flow down. Yeah, so the point of this, there will be a roof, so when the mobs spawn they will just walk, fall in the water, keep sliding and fall in the hole and die. And when they die you can just build a little entrance. Here you go underground and get the stuff. If you do not wish to go underground, you can build it in the air, but it would be kind of harder and you will need to use a little bit more cobblestone and stuff like that. I would personally recommend building it in water, because there's lots of oceans on levels usually. Yeah, and it doesn't take up much space on water. It does need like flat land. So you build this, then you build a wall 4 blocks high. Yeah, and you build a wall 4 blocks high. Then you build the wall 4 blocks high everywhere, but on the 4th block you just place the roof, so you will actually have only 3 blocks in here, so you can only jump. Yeah. So this is basically how this one works. So the mobs will spawn, so then they will just fall down and slide down and fall and die. Yeah, so the second one I have is this one. It is a little smaller and easier because you just go here and get the stuff like this. I actually like that one better, because also on this one you can make it 2 stories high and it will be more efficient. So, but this one is also pretty efficient. You just build this little thing, then you build a wall about 23 blocks up. So actually not just one, this you build it all around. I just decided to build this so you can see better. And then you build this thing. Looks kind of like a UFO. Yeah, so it's pretty much, so inside it looks like this. You place lots of trapdoors, because trapdoor is considered to be a whole block. If you place it in water you can actually see that. So the mobs do think it's a block, so they just spawn here, they walk down, fall and die, and you can just go and get the stuff. This is maybe easier to build. It doesn't use as much as cobblestone. Yeah, and it is easier to get the stuff. But this one you can actually build it bigger than this, and you can also build it underground, which will make it maybe even more efficient. And underground it won't take up as much space because there's lots of rock down there. But this one, it's pretty hard to build underground because it has a very unusual structure. And yeah, this one it's better to build on land somewhere. But for this one I would recommend actually building it on water or underground. Underground will be probably better because you won't use a lot of cobblestone. You will actually get cobblestone instead of that. Yeah, so you can try those both out. They're both pretty good. I hope you liked this episode, and please subscribe and like my channel if you like pigmen, because those pigmen, there's a lot of them. Die! Butter! Die! I got butter! Yay! Bye! Oh my god! There's so much pork chop!